In this video, I'll show you how I created this elegant jewelry ad using only Photoshop. Watch the full creation process now. First, select the foreground color. Hit OK. To apply the foreground color, press Alt and Backspace keys. Add a new layer above the background. Select Rectangular Marquee tool. Draw like this. Fill it with any color. Press Alt and Backspace key to apply the color. Add another new layer on top. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. This will affect only the layer below. Set the foreground color to black. Now we'll apply the 3D effect to this rectangle. Press Alt and Backspace to fill it. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Adjust the blur amount. And hit OK. Add another layer. And repeat the blur process. Select all 3 layers and group them. Shortcut Ctrl and G. Transform the group using Ctrl and T. Rotate as needed. To add a shadow, go to Layer, Layer Style, Drop Shadow, Adjust Settings, and press OK. Duplicate the group. Press Ctrl and J. Drag it up and rotate. Expand the group 1 layer. Drag the ring into group 1. Position and resize it. Select the layer. Hold Ctrl and click the layer thumbnail. Select the eraser tool. Erase the unwanted part. Add a new layer below this one. This will be the shadow. Use the pen tool to draw the shape. Right-click. Make selection. Set feather to 0. Press OK. Set foreground color to black. Press Alt plus Backspace to fill. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Adjust blur value. And press OK. Use the same steps to add more rings. Now let's create another design. Add a new layer above the background. Use Elliptical Marquee tool to draw a shape. Fill with any color. Press Ctrl and D to deselect. Press Ctrl and J to duplicate. Drag the copy slightly downward. Add a new layer above it. Right-click. Create Clipping Mask. Use Brush tool to paint highlights or shadows. Duplicate the layer again. Drag it down. And rotate slightly. Fill with black. Reduce the opacity. Apply filter. Blur. Gaussian blur. Adjust value. And press OK. Place rings on top. Position it. Resize. Add shadow. Follow the previous steps to add the shadow. Like this, add more rings on it. Select the background layer. Add a new layer above it. Set the foreground color to white. Get the brush tool. Increase the brush size a bit. Click once like this. Reduce the opacity. Okay guys. For daily updates, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to like. Hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.